Welcome to Finassets. If you're looking for a simple and cost-effective way to accept USDC payments on your website, this video will guide you through it. Let's start from the Finassets homepage. Finassets is a crypto payment gateway founded in 2021, designed for businesses that want to accept cryptocurrency payments easily. One of the key advantages of Finassets is its built-in Tron energy saving system. This feature helps reduce Tron network fees by more than 50%, making it especially efficient for businesses accepting USDT-TRC20 payments. It offers low transaction fees, starting from 0.4% and decreasing to 0.2% as your transaction volume grows. The platform also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including stablecoins like USDT and USDC. Now, let's see how it works in practice. We'll move to the Finassets demo and create a crypto payment button. Inside the demo dashboard, click on Payment Gateway and start by adding a new project. This allows you to connect your website and manage crypto payments in one place. Here, you need to enter your project name and company name. Then, select the assets you want to make available to your customers. Add your website URL where you plan to use the payment system, and adjust the settings based on your business needs. Once everything is set, simply click Add. Next, click on Manage, then go to Integration. Once everything is configured, copy the generated code and add it to your website. Your customers will then be able to pay with USDC quickly and securely. Here's how the payment button looks from the customer's perspective. The process is simple and user-friendly, ensuring a smooth checkout experience for your clients. And that's how you can start accepting USDC payments on your website using Finassets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials for Finassets.